Roxy, come here. Come here. Come here, Rox. Come here. Can't pat her on the back. Come on. Oh, that was it? Come here, Jessie. Let's see you do it. Come here. Come here. Come here, Jessie. Come here. Let me see. You gonna burp for Mom? Hmm? Come here. Hey. Is it good? Come here. It's kind of hard to do it by yourself. Come here. Jess. Come on. Was it good? Huh? What's that?
That was the burp?
That was the burp. Good girl. If you make her growl, she might burp louder. She's gonna choke too.
Yeah. She's trying to calm the little old down as fast as she can. Easy, easy, easy.
Come here, Jess. Come here. Come here.
Ah.
Jessie. Come here. Easy.
Hey, come here. Come here.
My goodness. Oh.
Come here. All right, okay, that's clean. All right, let me hear you. Was that a good meal? Huh? Why don't you turn it? Okay. All right, easy, easy, easy. It's all gone. Was it good? Hmm? Was it good?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Try to get Jessie. Where's Pop-Up? Where's Pop-Up? Go see Pop-Up. Come here.
Jessie.
Go
Come
see
here, Jessie.
Pop-Up.
Come here, Jessie. Come here, Jessie. Come here, Jessie. Come here, Jessie.
Go see Pop-Up.
What end am I getting? Don't you go around with me. There you are. You want to should have burped the baby. No, I want to burp. Burp the baby.
God, Jessie.
All right. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You
Was
gonna
it
burp?
good?
You gonna burp? No? She might have burped already.
Jessie. Come on. Come on.
Burp.
Here, eat the stuff on the floor first, God damn it. You don't want to knock it out.
Bend over again, Dad.
No. You didn't pick... Good? Must be. Just cleaning it up, boy. Get a big towel, clean the rest of it up. She gets done.
You gonna burp?
Here, come here. The rest of it. Belle, get a paper towel. What paper towel?
Here. Come here. Hey. Come here. What's that?
They farted over here.
Good girl. Good girl.
She burped.
Jessi did.
Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy.
Every time he bends over.
Come on, Roxy. Get it going, Roxy. Come on, Roxy, give it.
Oh, that was a...
We're gonna get a good one out of you tonight, huh? Burp the baby. Burp the baby. Burp the baby. Let me see what we got. We get a good one out of you tonight. Was that good? Was that a good meal?
Come on.
Talk to me. Come on. Burp the baby. Oh, good one.
That was a good
Good
one.
one. Good one.
That was a good one. Who's next?
Jessi,
Come on, Jessi.
Come here,
Jessi,
Jessi.
pop up.
I did put you to pop up. Come here.
Jessi, pop
Oh,
up.
she just did it.
Did she?
Yeah.
You sure that wasn't a growl?
No, it wasn't a growl. That was
Hey.
a growl. Growl me. Shut up. Get up. Stop it.
No.
Burp the baby. Oh.
That was real good.
Good one.
That was real good. Woo!
God.
Jessi. Jessi.
Come on, Jessi. Make a burp.
Come on.
Burp already?
I don't know. Come on. Where's your burp? Maybe she did. Oh, excuse me.
You're right.
She's like, stop petting me. Just give me the chicken.
You're my best friend in the whole world, huh? Yeah. You're my best friend in the whole world, huh? Yeah. Come on.
Her freckles are really showing up.
What?